Welcome back to another lesson with me, Mr. B. Today, we're going to learn about the shifts in religious beliefs and the era of enlightenment. The focus of this reading and lesson will be explaining what sparked the shift towards enlightenment and defining the traits that consider this a modern era of its time. Just as history moved towards enlightenment, so did literature. Enlightenment is defined as man's emancipation for his self-incurred immaturity. Enlightenment encouraged rational scientific inquiry, humanitarian tolerance, and the idea of universal human rights. In religion, it involved skeptical rejection of superstition, dogma, and deism. Philosophers, scientists, and Enlightenment writers sought to understand the world around them through reason and deduction rather than faith, trying to debunk the idea that there is a supreme being as creator. So let's draw some connections. If you recall from Puritanism, the Puritans were trying to exercise their power through religion. Enlightenment challenges that through reason, logic, and science. In an excerpt from the reading, it states that enlightenment is what is sometimes called the modern era, characterized principally by the gradual supplanting of religious worldviews by scientific and philosophical ideas anchored in experiential knowledge, emerged from the efforts to conceive of human existence in new terms. New terms, key here. So what does this all mean? This wave of thinking transitioned from faith-based and religious beliefs into examining nature and feelings as a representing category. But this did lead to political exploitation. So even though society was moving toward logic and reasoning, we still have people looking to exercise power. Take some time to read about Enlightenment on page 8 and think about the following questions. What do you think sparked the Enlightenment era? What would be the defining traits of the Enlightenment period's literature? Up next, we'll move on to Romanticism. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.